A healthy living is about what you put in your body. So it is always necessary for us to take a critical look at what we consume. It's not about what we put on our body, it's about what we take in there. So if you are looking for that younger look, that refreshing look, that nice skin, and that glowing skin, yes, you don't need to buy expensive creams. You don't need to buy expensive things. With a little amount of money, you can get that glowing skin. We all know the benefits of carrots. It helps in clearing the eyes. It also builds a good immune system. It also gives that nice and younger looking skin. So sit and relax as I take you through recipe. We are using only 2 ingredients here, and that is what carrots and pineapples. We are going to blend these 2 ingredients together to get that colorful and refreshing drink. My dear, if this drink gets into your system or into your body, you continue to consume this drink for about a week and see the outcome. So it's about what goes into the body, but not what we apply on the body. Stay relaxed and let's learn together. If you are new here, this is Home Tips with Mom. Here we do a lot of interesting things: healthy drink, baking, cooking, home tips, and other interesting stuff. So if you are new here, do subscribe, stay, and let's learn together. If you're also a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the journey so far. You all are amazing people. Thank you so much for the support. I am so much grateful. So we are done blending our carrots. We are going to get the juice out of it and keep the pulps from the carrots. We will use that one for another recipe. But for this recipe, we are only using the juice. We are done getting the juice out. So we are adding our chopped pineapples into our blender. We are done blending. Just look at that colorful look. Just look at that. When you consume this drink, my dear, you are good to go. So you strain this for about 3 to 4 times. Yes, if you are using a cheesecloth, you can strain it for at least once. But if you are using a strainer like mine, you have to strain it like 2, 3, or 4 times because we do not want anything in there. Is it not refreshing? You get your bottles or your glass jars, you store in them nicely, and you keep it in your fridge. You can keep doing this for at least a week or 2 and see the amazing benefits that you see on your body and even inside your body, because what we consume is what reflects outside. Let's make it a point to prepare some of these healthy drinks at home instead of buying it in the shops and other things, because for that one we do not know the contents in there. But with this, you know what you put in there. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for supporting. Bye.